Thank you for coming today. As you will recall, the House debated House Bill 2580 at some length. The bill would extend the film tax rebate system for movie makers. I voted against the bill twice on first consideration and on its subsequent passage. It failed, of course, the first time and was brought up for reconsideration and passed. Unfortunately, we now know that the House had inadequate information when it made this decision to advance the bill. I recently secured a copy of an economic impact study prepared by the Oklahoma Department of Commerce in April that makes it very clear that this film tax credit is a bad deal for Oklahoma. It is simply a waste of taxpayers' dollars. The study notes that many other states are having second thoughts about expensive giveaway programs that may entice an occasional movie maker, but which rarely yield many economic returns. Kansas eliminated their film tax credit in 2012. Missouri has yet to renew theirs, which expired in 2013. Texas gives a rebate much lower than Oklahoma's. In fact, we have the most generous such tax credit in our region. This report examines the real dollars involved in the recent movie August, Osage County, which you will recall was the center of our House debate. According to the report, the state of Oklahoma underwrote production costs for this film with a tax rebate of $4.6 million. That was more than a fourth of the total cost. What did we get in return? The report estimates a total of $415,000 in state tax revenue from the film. That means we lost $4.2 million underwriting one movie. Where I come from, that is bad business. And hopefully the governor will pay attention to this and see that we do need to find out on every bit of credits that we give out, what is it costing the taxpayers and what are the benefits that they're getting in return. If the benefits don't exceed the cost, then it's a bad deal for the taxpayers. I recently had a picture taken from up above on the 5th floor down in front of the House chamber where all the lobbyists and that congregate, and there was just a huge crowd down there, and I had them Photoshop the deal in where it says House of Representatives, where it says free money. Last year we passed an extension on the wind and coal, and at 10:43 on the last night of the session, once again they knew absolutely nothing about what the ramifications were going to be on that bill. And quite frankly, that bill in the next 5 years with the extension is going to cost the state general revenue fund $379 million between now and 2018. I mean, we could fund all of the raises that we need to fund this year with that kind of money. I mean, it's just ridiculous. And we're talking about teachers, we're talking about state employees, highway patrolmen, correctional officers that are on food stamps, and we don't have the money to do it, but we're giving the wind energy and coal and film and others multi-millions of dollars.